And it's a studio, but a bit better than a studio. Follow me? First, you have the bathroom here to get ready and ready for the night. Here, you have big kitchen, full furnished. You can do a lot of dishes here. But, where's the bed is what you see. You can cook without having the smell when you go to your bed. That is priceless. I mean, if you do shrimp tacos, you don't want your bed smell the shrimp. Here's it. You have your bed. You have a lot of place to store your clothes. Everything is here. And you have a small desk to work. I know Tulum is a digital nomad place, so if you want to work, come to work. But if you prefer to enjoy the outdoor, it's also an option here because you have the balcony. You can enjoy the life of Aldea but in a quiet street, so you don't get annoyed by anyone. That's amazing. And follow me upstairs for the little surprise. The beauty of that, there is an elevator. So follow me in the elevator.
Bienvenido a la piscina.
First, before the pool, I show you the gym. Before the pleasure, you have to sweat a bit. And I mean, with this type of view, even if you don't like to work out, I'm pretty sure you will love to run here. And after the gym, when you sweat a lot and you want to be cold but not too much cold, you can enjoy the pool and the sun bath. Mirror to see that you're beautiful and sexy. And a small room with a pool to enjoy the quietness of the place again. Quiet in Tulum is really priceless. So if you want to enjoy it, you follow me and you rent with me.